Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I am back with another problem from Leetcode today. Today we are going to look at the problem number 1333. Filter restaurants by vegan friendly, price and distance. So given an array restaurants where restaurants have some properties like ID, rating, vegan friendly or not, price and distance, and we have to filter the restaurants using three filters, that is vegan friendly, price and distance. So there are some constraints that are given here. So the vegan friendly filter will be either true or false. So since it is represented by an integer array here, so 1 means it is a vegan friendly restaurant, 0 means it is not. And another one, one of the filters is maxPrice and maxDistance. So which are the maximum values that are given for us to filter out from the available restaurants. So when we are going to return the answer should be the restaurant ID. So return the array of restaurant IDs after filtering, ordered by rating from highest to lowest. For the restaurants with the same rating, order them by ID from highest to lowest. For simplicity, vegan friendly I and vegan friendly take value 1 when it is true and 0 when it is false. So let's go look at one example here. So this is the restaurants array. So there are like 5 restaurants, and this is vegan friendly, this is not, this is vegan friendly, this is not, this is vegan friendly. So if you look at carefully observe, right, the third one in the array represents a vegan friendly. So 1 means it is vegan friendly, 0 means it is not vegan friendly. So now we have to filter this restaurants by using these three filters. So we have to select vegan friendly restaurants and with a max price of 50 and within a max distance of 10, right? So for example, so this is vegan friendly, this is vegan friendly, and this is vegan friendly. So 2 and 4 are not vegan friendly, right? So let's check if max price is 50, right? So here max price is, here price is 40, so it satisfies. Here price is 30, satisfies. Price is 15, satisfies. So 1, 3, 5, all of them satisfy. And max distance, let's say this is 10, yes, it satisfies. This is 4, it satisfies. This is 1, it satisfies. So 1, 3 and 5 are all satisfying these three conditions, the filters conditions. But while returning the results, right, we have to return them in the order of rating from highest to lowest. So the rating here is 4, the rating here is 8, the rating here is 1. So that means highest rating is for the restaurant 3. So 3 goes first, and the next highest is 4. This is the rating. The restaurant ID is 1, and the last rating is number 1. And the restaurant ID is 5. So 3, 1 and 5. That's the output that we are going to return. So this is a straightforward filtering problem. So for this purpose, what we are going to do is we are going to write a class which stores these 5 properties for the given restaurant. So I have got a class which holds all these 5 properties: ID, rating, vegan friendly, price and distance. So this is just a placeholder class, okay? And since we have to return the restaurants in a specific order, right? First one is using the rating and second one is using the ID. When the rating is same between multiple restaurants, right, we have to order them by the ID from highest to lowest. So for this purpose, we need to write a comparer class. So this is a C# code. So the comparer class, we are going to use the restaurant. The restaurant E is a class that we just created. That is a placeholder class. And when we compare two restaurants, right, if the ratings are not equal, obviously we will order by the highest rating. So we will compare the B's rating with A's rating, and that will be the result, whatever the result that is obtained. But if the rating is equal, right, then we have to compare with their IDs. So this class is used for comparing the restaurants, right? So now go back to the main method, where we will be using this restaurant and this iComparer class for comparing restaurants, right? So this is the input array, and these are the 3 filters, right? So now just get the input array's length, and we will have to create the list of restaurants, right? So for that purpose, what we are going to do is we are going to read this RE array and create the restaurant objects and add it to the restaurants list, right? So this line number 7 is going to create a new restaurant object, and line number 8, it is going to add a list of restaurants. So when we have to filter vegan friendly, right, we will have to look at only the vegan friendly restaurant. But if vegan friendly is equal to 0, right, we can look at all the available restaurants. So here I wrote a simple lambda where we will be using the filters and returning the restaurants here. So restaurants where vegan friendly is equal to vegan friendly, that means we are looking for the vegan friendly restaurants, and price is less than or equal to the max price, and distance is also less than or equal to max distance. But one thing that we are going to do now is we'll have to order by using this class, the compare restaurants class. So that's the one, new compare restaurants. In the output, we just need to return the restaurant IDs. That is, we'll just select the restaurant IDs, R IDs, and return it as a list. That's what is the expected list. But this is when vegan friendly is equal to 1, that is a filter. But if it is 0, right, we'll just knock that off, or vegan friendly is equal to vegan friendly, right? Just knock that off, everything else remains same. So that's the basic idea behind this. This is a simple, straightforward solution. Initially, it looks like, from looking at the description and all, it's not so easy. But once you take the help of these restaurants class placeholder and this compare restaurants class, right, it becomes easy. This is an accepted solution basically. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share among your friends. Thank you for watching.